Hello, everyone, again, my friends. So now that we've learned that Angular is a JavaScript library, and we know that we will develop JavaScript applications with Angular, we might kind of hit a wall if you've been researching Angular on your own. Yeah, there's a problem that is still going to get in the way. Angular versions and names, well, they can be a little confusing. But someone once said, confusion is a first step to enlightenment. So why don't we just clear it up right now? We can say that Angular 1, so AngularJS, is the first version. AngularJS was first developed in 2010. So the Angular team developed Angular 1 as technology developed over time. So by 2016, AngularJS was completely rewritten, and Angular 2 was created. So we can distinguish AngularJS and Angular 2 from each other, since AngularJS and Angular 2 have worked differently to solve different problems. So if we continue on with this, we'll see Angular 4, Angular 5, Angular 6, and then finally Angular 10. Now, Angular 3 was not published for a variety of reasons. So then why do we see these numbers here? In fact, the only versions released here continue as Angular 2 evolves. So basically, we here are learning Angular 2, and for all intents and purposes, that's what's out there. However, the Angular team will continue to develop Angular. A new version is released every 6 months, so that's why we see these numbers. Now, all of these versions here work on the same logic and architecture. Now, of course, Angular is not completely rewritten every 6 months. We only get updates like background changes, minor differences, and a few new features sometimes. So when you really dig down into it, you could say that Angular 10, Angular 9, or Angular 2 are the same. There's only some minor differences. So what we're going to do here, and for your business's sake, is learn Angular 2. All right? So as you can see here, we separate Angular 1 to be AngularJS. And in general, Angular 2, 4, 5, 9, whatever, we just call Angular. All right, so we will, as we go through our Angular course, we will continue to reference Angular. See you in the next lesson.